Hi everybody. So I ran out of stickers and my question was, can we do something else with this really nicely designed Sealpod system? Good finishing, nice seal on it. Is there something else we can do? And so my idea was to take aluminum foil. Maybe we could jerry-rig this. So let me show you what I did. So what you do is you just cut a piece that can fold over the lip. Not too much, just enough so that it'll bend over. Something like this. I'd say that was almost a 2" by 2" square. Then you fill the pod as you would normally. So I'm just going to get my coffee, that which keeps me alive. Here we go. And you just fill it as you normally would. I'm doing this over a paper towel because it can get a little messy. I tamp it down. I'm going to add a tiny bit more because I like my coffee stronger. Make sure it goes all the way to the top. There we go. I'm not pushing down very hard, just enough so it's snug. And then scooch off the top like that so that the lip is clean. And my fingers. Okay, now we take this little square and fit it over the top like this. I'm going to fold it just like you would wrap, I don't know what you would wrap like this. I'm in pharmaceutics, so we would wrap suppositories like this, but it's not a good thought when you're thinking about coffee. Alright, and it should make a good union with the metal so that the goal is preventing leakage. So you can see around the edges, I've done a fairly good job at making it form fit around the lip of the Sealpod. There we go. So there's my jerry-rigged pod capsule. And the next step is to try this out. So this is my Nespresso Initia system. It gets a lot of love in my kitchen. And so what we're going to do now is take this capsule that's been very carefully folded, lovingly, and put it in the regular capsule container holder. Push this bar down, and now I'm going to choose the small volume. Let's see what comes out. There it is. It starts dark and it gets lighter, just like the regular system. And now I've got my milk frother. It's frothing the milk. Makes it so good. And now I'm going to add my deliciously frothed milk to the coffee. There we go. Now the real test is what happened in the machine. Let's have a look. So as I tip that up, you'll see there's really no aluminum foil pieces to speak of inside the machine. What about leakage? Let's find out. There's the capsule. I'm gonna look in here. I get the same amount of leakage as I did with the stickers. There's a bit in there. It's not a whole lot, but there's enough to mentionable. And then let's have a look. So we have that familiar crisscross honeycomb pattern, and you can see the sides are folded down just as they were. There they are. But the real test, as I stand here in the kitchen in my bathrobe, is what does it taste like? Let's see. Great Scott! It's coffee! It worked. So although this perhaps might void your warranty or maybe not work 100% of the time if you're not careful tucking on the lip, in a pinch, if you run out of stickers, maybe you could try it. I know that I will. So I hope this review is helpful, this little test.